Yo, what's poppin', family? We'll get into a quick day trade recap for today. Thank you for joining me. Here we are. Exactly the kind of day I wanted to have. Get in here, reset, regain some confidence. Didn't go for no home runs, not looking to swing nothing. Without this break even here, that's a 100% win rate. Didn't take no losses, so the PF is whatever you profited, right? Took only 5 trades, and I was logged off a little bit before the big move in SPY, so I possibly missed out, but I possibly saved myself some money. So let's go through a couple of these. I'll go through why I picked them and why I traded them, and where I took profit at. So fast, let's go to TOS. This is the daily right here. Obviously, we have compression on the D1. We're below all SMAs. And we have a breakout. Good volume yesterday to the downside. Good volume today. Relatively weak on the D1. And pretty clear here. We have the break of that level right there. So I wanted to take advantage of that. But I didn't give it too much room. I actually took options that were for like October because there were no weekly options, and it just was not moving. So I ended up scratching this. If I was able to short shares, I think it would have been a really good trade. But pretty much I got in at 1142 right here. And what the hell? Did I get in? I don't remember it looking like this. Right here. So I got in on this candle and it started chopping around. I was at like 0 to -5 on it. And then in here, I got out at 1259, which was way down here. And if you notice, 48.82. If I got in at 48.80, that's a 30-cent move already, and the contracts was still worth 0. So why that is, I'm not sure. I'm thinking it was just the option was too far out. The delta was 0.6, so I'm not sure why I didn't get any of that move. And the most it was up was like $5. So pretty much just used the wrong instrument to trade this. Had a nice setup. Obviously, we want a little bit better continuation off the break of this M5 compression, but it is what it is. I wasn't gonna sit around too long and wait for it, so ended up scratching that. So then we had KHC. This one I took like $5 on it. Jared, you only made $5. Shut up, man. Nice bearish price action here. Relatively weak on the D1. What's it look like on Heiken Ashi? HA reversal today. Bollinger Bandwidth is expanding below all SMAs. And we had a break below this level right here. The 36 mark. So got short on it. I entered at, and let me know, am I following my own rules? I got in at 13, which was in this candle here. Had an HA reversal outside of this compression. Super relative weakness. As you can see with this orange line, SPY is going up. Hines is going down. And I was in the trade for about 40 minutes. Not a fast mover. ATR is 9 cents. So the most I was up was like $10 on it. And my target was actually 20 cents, but it just wasn't moving like that. The candles weren't big enough to really affect the options like that. But my entry is 13 and my exit was 1340 right here, which is a nice move. Like I said, man, if I got in short with some shares at 35.90, oh, actually, that's how bad the ATR is. Wow, from here all the way to here is a cent. 10 cents. Okay, that makes sense. But did I do my play? We had M5 compression, break out of it with HA reversal. Could have been better volume on the breakout, but it's fine. Super relative weakness versus SPY, and I took 5 cents on it. Like I said, no home runs today, which is fine with me. Getting this win rate up. Next trade, ZM. I was playing the break of this. It's been compressing since August 24th. It looks like, just stuck in this range. And I was playing the break of this low right here at like 79.09. Bollinger Bandwidth expanding. Obviously, SPY had a huge gap down, so we had that as far as tailwind. Didn't have relative weakness on the D1, but on the M5, I liked what I was seeing. And I got in at 10.49, which is... I got in a little bit late. So I got in after the break of compression here in this candle. HA reversal out of the M5 compression. Bollinger Bandwidth expanding. And I got out at 11.24. Right here, right before it was starting to bounce. And, I saw SPY was... I think SPY put in a bullish hammer. And so I decided to just take my 15 cents. Didn't want to sit through none of this. The stock is weak. I know it. But I wasn't going to wait till the end of the day just to get back to where it was already. So took 15 cents. Nice base hit. And then I took CL. Let's go to the daily. This was super nice. Break down below this level. Break of this upper sloping trend line. Super nice chart. Break of this upper sloping trend line, break of this horizontal level right here, and below all SMAs. It's like perfect. But I didn't really like the options that much, so I ended up just taking my profit. My target was 20 cents, and I ended up just taking 15 on it, or 16 on it rather. My entry is 11.03. Back over here. Right here in this candle, HA reversal out of compression. Volume could have been better. And I was in this trade for 20 minutes. So got in here and got out at 11.25 in this candle here. Did I miss, some more downside? Yeah, but that's fine. I had my price target, and I just took my base hit. It was a high probability play, and then it turns into a not high probability play if you never take your profits. So cool with that one. And then my last trade for the day was HD. This one I actually sat through a pullback on. Man, late in the day when SPY was really tanking. Really nice move here, but I wasn't logged on. So 11.48, or let's look at the daily. Nice break below this level right here at 288.80. I didn't see any support really until down here, 281.82. Room to go, definitely room to go. But again, I was going for my base hits, relatively weak. Nice volume yesterday and today. Gap down below the SMA. Let's go to the M5. Got in at 11.48, which was in this candle here. Had this M5 compression, HA reversal out of it. The AA plus, what we really want to see is nice volume on the breakout, but at least the volume was increasing. And I actually sat through this pullback. I saw SPY bouncing, and I had my stop here. Where was it? Right above here. And then it wicked up, but this huge seller's wick right here let me know that there's still sellers around. So I gave it more time. So based off of price action, I didn't close it out when it hit my stop. But I was correct, and I got out at 12.29 in this candle here. Could have waited another 5 minutes, but I'm fine. I think at first my price target was 75 cents, but I just wasn't sure with the market. We had a huge gap down. how much more downside did we have? So took my 30 cents. If I was a little more patient with it and had a perfect exit, I probably could have took 40, 50 bucks. But I'm fine. I'm fine with my exit. Was patient through this pullback and sold into weakness, or closed my position. And that is it for me. That was my day. Real quick, easy, dirty breakdown. 5 trades, 100% win rate. Just trying to keep my win rate high, take my base hits, and take high probability plays only. So happy with the performance today, and I hope you guys kept it green as well. Thank you guys for joining me on this daily recap. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we'll keep it green. Chop it up with me down below, and until next time, see ya.